Welcome to the fourth episode of our series on AML and financial crime compliance careers. Today we'll be looking at the variety of compliance job opportunities that could be available to you and explore different career paths in this exciting field. So let's jump right into today's video. At the foundation of the AML and financial crime compliance world are analysts and investigators. So these professionals are responsible for monitoring financial transactions, identifying suspicious activities, and conducting thorough investigation to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. This role often serves as a stepping stone for more advanced positions in the industry. Compliance officers are responsible for developing, implementing, and maintaining an organization's AML and financial crime compliance program. This includes creating policies and procedures, providing training to employees, and ensuring adherence to regulatory requirements. Sanctions and Embargoes specialist focuses on ensuring that an organization complies with national and international sanctions as well as trade and financial embargoes. They work closely with government and law enforcement agencies and are well versed in the complexities of global sanctions regimes. Next role, the Financial Intelligence Unit professionals. But before we dive into this profession, please take a moment to subscribe to FinCrime Agent for the latest insight in financial crime compliance and anti-money laundering. Your support helps the channel growing and allows me to continue providing more valuable content for professionals and students. Also remember that you can support my FinCrime Agent project on Patreon by going to patreon.com/fcagent, or feel free to even send a super thanks directly from this YouTube video. Financial Intelligence Unit professionals work within the FIU of our financial institutions, collecting and analyzing data to detect and report to suspicious activities. They play a critical role in preventing money laundering, terrorist financing, and other financial crimes. Regulatory and policy experts work closely with government agencies, industry associations, and financial institutions to develop and implement AML and financial crime compliance regulations and best practices. They stay current with evolving regulatory landscape and provide guidance to organizations on navigating complex compliance requirements. As you can see, there are numerous compliance job opportunities within the AML and financial crime compliance field, each with its own unique challenges and rewards. Those, of course, are not all the roles that are available in this field. However, by understanding the different career paths that are available to you, you can still make a more informed decision about your professional journey. Stay tuned for the next episode of this series, where we'll be discussing strategies for landing your dream jobs in compliance. And don't forget to subscribe to FinCrime Agent and hit the notification bell to stay updated. So thanks for watching, and until next time, see you soon.